you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited. The 2025 Spring FabFitFun box is here. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So again, the new 2025 Spring FabFitFun box just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, you know, I absolutely love my box, and I absolutely love that now every single member gets to choose every single category. That is the beauty in this box. You get to choose everything in your own box, and I love that. So I want to tell you the pricing, then we will go ahead and dive in. The way that I like to do my unboxings is I like to show you every single item from the category. Then I'll show you what I chose. Again, that's the great thing with this box. You get to choose what you want. So I want you to see all of the different options because everybody is different. So I want you to be able to see what you can customize your own box for. So let me go ahead and tell you the pricing really quick. They did give me a code to pass down for you guys, which is absolutely amazing. If you want to sign up just month per month for the seasonal box, it is $69.99 per box. There's only 4 of them per year because again, it's a seasonal box. But you can use my code SheCrafty and that will save you 20% off your very first box. That's an amazing discount. If you want to jump to an annual membership, you will save per box, bringing your box price down to $55 per box. And then you can use my code SheCraftyGift, and that'll get you a free gift on top of saving for the annual membership. So either one you can use. If you are interested, I will have them all linked down below where you can shoot on over to FabFitFun and select which membership you would like. So let's go ahead. Again, I'm going to show you what's inside of here and what I chose. This is the box for the spring season, and it does say spring 2025. We'll go ahead and open it, show you what it looks like. Oh, look at the little flower. I love that coral color. And then there's some more down there. So when we open it up, we have that. And there's a sneak peek to my products. And there's the very bottom of the box. So now let's go ahead and dive into each category and show you every item you can choose. So for category number 1, all of the different items will be Tula Skincare Bedtime Bright Vita Charge Overnight Brightening Treatment valued at $58. Desi Skin Pack It All Multi-Purpose Hanging Travel Bag valued at $42. Line and Dot Waffle Knit Robe in size small medium, large, extra large, or plus size, all valued at $78. Bala Bangles Windbreaker. You can choose size small medium, large, extra large, or plus size, all valued at $80. July Everyday Crescent Bag, valued for $75. Short Stories 8-inch Frying Pan in a cream color, valued at $45. Diff Charitable Eyewear Haley Sunglasses, valued at $89. There's a perfume oil number 4. It is valued at $65. Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner, valued at $38. And it looks like there would be a Luxe Choice. This would be $28 more for a $220 value. And it is a face cream mask. So for those different options, I actually chose a clothing item for the very first time. And I got the windbreaker. For one, I absolutely love this color. And for another, I think that would be nice just to have something to put on, because the only time it actually gets kind of cool here is if the wind is blowing up a storm. So those few days, I thought this would be great for me to use an actual windbreaker. So this here again was valued at $80, and I got the plus size. So let's get this opened. Ooh, that is a really pretty color though. It's like a sage green color. And this is what it looks like. And then right here you have where like you can actually get windage, like you can actually breathe. I think that's actually awesome. And then there's even pockets that have a zipper to keep it closed. So if you have anything in there, nothing's gonna fall out. I like that as well. So here's your little zipper. Ooh, and it goes all the way. Whoa, hello. It goes all the way through to the other side. Takes me on through to the other side. That is actually really cool. I didn't even know that it had that feature. So again, here is item that I chose for category number 1, and I'm so excited to actually have a windbreaker. I don't think I've ever had one unless I was a child. As an adult, now I have one. So all of the different choices you can choose for customization number 2 will be Ocean Eyes Age Defying Serum, valued at $58. Bobbi Brown Long Wear Cream Eyeshadow Stick in golden pink, and crushed oil infused lip gloss in new romantic bundle, valued for $67. Lindsay Albanese Laptop Clutch. This is valued at $89. Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, valued for $38. Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Duo Palette in Peachy Love or Berry Adore, both of them valued at $30. Rise and Shine Ceramic Bowl in Retro Flower Print, valued at $45. The Prong Set Tennis Necklace in Silver, valued at $80. Free People Surf Candle, valued at $40. Or We the Wild House Plant Care Essential Kit, valued for $37.99. So for that one, I actually chose an item for you guys. FabFitFun had said this is their very first time having Bobbi Brown in their lineup, and I thought that was really, really exciting. And now I don't really do a whole lot with lips or shadows, like the liquid shadows, so I thought this would be a great set to get for one of you guys to enjoy for a future giveaway. So I got the Bobbi Brown Long Wear Cream Eyeshadow Stick. It's in golden pink, and then crushed oil infused lip gloss in New Romantic. This bundle again is valued at $67. I will show you what the packaging looks like, but I'm not going to swatch it because again, I'm going to put this in my future giveaway pile to go for one of you guys. But this is the New Romantic color, and that looks like a really, really pretty color though. Like a nice mauve color that would probably go with anyone's skin tone. That is super, super pretty. Again, I just don't really do anything with my lips except lip balm. Just no color forms. And this one says golden pink, and this should be the eyeshadow stick. And that is what the packaging looks like, and that's probably what the color will look like. So there is that. Super, super cool. I love that it's in there, and I really wanted to get this for you guys because I love passing down and sharing. So this will go in a future giveaway. So if you would like to see all of the different options for category number 3, here they are. Desi Skin Overnight Moisture Mask, valued at $48. Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser, valued for $37. Moroccan Oil All-in-One Leave-In Conditioner, valued for $32. Molten Brown Shower Gel. You can choose between orange and bergamot scent or coastal cypress and sea fennel. Both of them are valued at $35. Mini Serena Hoops in gold, valued at $85. Or in silver, valued for $65. Color Wow Vital Natural Serum, valued at $30. Quiet Hours Facial Ice Roller, valued for $48. Or you can choose a digital offer, which gives 4 months of a free trial, valued at $51.96. And for that one, I chose the shower gel. I absolutely love these. I haven't tried this exact scent, but I have tried the Molten Brown shower gels before, and I really love them. Normally they're in a lot smaller of a container, so I was super excited to see one bigger because I've never had one in this size. This is a 300 ml or 10 fluid ounce, and I chose the Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel Bath and Shower Gel. Again, I'm super, super excited about it because I really like this brand. Ooh, and that does smell nice and coastal. That does smell nice and coastal. I love that. So, and I love that color. That's why I really went with this one over the other one. Because of the color. So that is my choice for number 3. All of the different options for category number 4 will be KitchenAid Fine Grater, valued at $20. London Town Galentine Nail Bundle, valued at $64. 8 Other Reasons, a set of 5 beaded bracelets, valued for $45. Bikini and Body Scrub, valued for $38. Stay and Peel Off lip liners in Pinked and Mauve, valued at $24 for the two. Beautyology Lab 24 karat gold collagen eye masks. There's 10 pairs, valued for $42. Bala Bangles capsule sliders, valued for $25. A 2-piece facial fitness kit, ID puffer and a face sculptor, valued for $40. You can do a digital offer for a $30 gift card for Sterling Forever. Moroccan oil hand cream. It comes in 2 different scents to choose from, both of them valued at $22. So for that one, I went with the KitchenAid, the grater, and actually came at the right time because I was going through all my stuff and kind of getting rid of stuff and consolidating stuff because I had too many things in my kitchen. And I had like a set of 3 different ones. I gave that to somebody, and then I kind of had like a little fear, like of missing out, like, well, what if I do need that? And then when I saw this, I'm like, oh, I'll get that one because then I can go with my other KitchenAid stuff. And then I have this one grater. I didn't need like 3 or 4 of them. So I was really excited to see this as an option. So it does have a little sleeve here to protect the grating part, but I like that you can like literally put this over your food and just and stuff in there, or grate things like on the side. I just like the flexibility of this because like I said, you can do it right over the stove, right over your bowl, right over your chopping block, whatever you're doing, and you have it on this nice like long handle form to grate. So I was really excited. Like, things always happen for a reason. Well, let me tell you, I'm really excited about this item. So that's what I chose for number 4. All of the different options for category number 5 will be Topicals Slick Solve Mint Balm. This is valued at $16. Bonda Boost Anti-Frizz Flyaway Wand, valued at $16. Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer in Baked, valued at $24. INH Curved Vented Brush, valued at $20. Zit Sticka Goo Getter 36 count, $14 value. Bloom Nutrition Greens and Superfoods Powder Sticks for gut health, mango, berry, and coconut flavor. It's a 12 count, valued for $21.98. Or the Nudist Exfoliating Body Bar, valued at $30. And for that one, I do have a lot of like not fry away, they fly away. They're not fried, they fly. So I went ahead and got the Bonda Boost Anti-Frizz Flyaway Wand. It has aloe, caffeine, and bamboo extracts. Ooh, that sounds definitely interesting. It's valued for $16. And again, this is the one thing in that category I'm like, ooh, I want to try that. Maybe it will work for some of these things here. So it comes in like a mascara type container. It feels nice, like of quality. It's like a heavy plastic or something, but it does feel nice and like a heaviness to it. Okay, plastic is off. And it literally looks like a mascara. So I guess like with your little flyaways, you can just kind of like tame them little things down. And yeah, I think I'm gonna like that. I'm definitely going to try it, and I think it will actually work because it even has, like I said, it had the caffeine. What else was in there? Caffeine, aloe, and bamboo extract. So I'm excited for that. Plus it's really small. You can take it with you on the go. And yeah, keep your flyaways at bay. So there's my number 5. So all of the different options for category number 6 will be Living Proof Clarifying Detox Shampoo, valued for $36. Rose Inc Ultra Black Lash Lift Serum Mascara, valued for $28. The Lifestyle Co Perfume Travel Spray, it's a 10 ml, valued at $40. Bobbi Brown Long Wear Cream Eyeliner Stick in Rich Chocolate, valued at $34. Journal with a Pen in Violet Garden Party, valued at $30. Trina Turk Picture Frame, valued at $38. Widgeteer Olive Oil and Balsamic Vinegar Individual Olive Branch Dipping Plates. It's a set of 4, valued at $29. A Woman's Menstrual Cycle Support Pack, valued at $40.59. or Dr. Jart Skin Barrier Moisturizing Face Masks. It's a 5-pack valued for $37. And that one, I'm really, really excited about this. And during my little purge of taking things out, one thing was a 4-pack. They were like plastic things to put olive oil in, but when I saw this one, it looks so cool and they're not plastic, so I had to have this one. So I didn't get rid of I got rid of those to add these. So I still have the item, but a better item. This one is, again, the balsamic olive oil containers. This one, again, is valued at $29. And I'm really excited because look at how it looks. So like you can put the balsamic, which will fall in that track of the leaf, and then you put the oil on top and it's gonna have this image right there. I'm super, super excited about that. So that's how they look originally. Let me open them and show you. Ooh, and they are a lot bigger than I was thinking. So those other ones that I got rid of to get these could totally fit right down inside of these actually. But these are nice and thick. I have the track right there where you can put your balsamic. Like I said, it'll go right down in the inside and then the olive oil will sit right on top and that'll just look super, super pretty. So I'm so glad. I really, really, really excited about these. And that will complete my category number 6 for the 2025 spring box. So a quick recap. I'm, again, so stoked about these right here. So you have that 4-piece set. I have the little flyaway wand, the grater. I have this set for one of you guys. I have a body wash, which I'm so excited about, and a windbreaker. Okay, you guys. So again, that is everything that I chose for this spring 2025 box. What do you think? What would you have chose? Would you have chose the same things, different things? Definitely comment below. I would love to hear what your choices would be. And don't forget, once I get my box that I do the annual membership, when I get my box, because I get to choose at the end of this week, I'm going to choose an all mystery box because I got all my choices here so we can see an all mystery box. So if you want to see what'll come in an all mystery box for this spring season as well, then stay tuned. I will post that as soon as I get it. Again, I will have them all linked down below. You can go check them out. You can use my codes, save some money if you want to sign up. I absolutely love FabFitFun. You get to choose your entire box no matter what member you are now. You can have something for yourself, gift ideas. I just really love this box, and normally with one of the choices or two, it pays for the entire box, so I normally never complain. I just love FabFitFun, and I cannot wait to see what kind of mystery box I will get for this season as well. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and then you can see all of the different videos that I do upload. I do so many different types. If something comes up that you're not interested in, go ahead and pass it until you see one that you do. It's that simple. So again, that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.